Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to uh, make 3D sound in Scratch. So let's begin. First, make two sprites, the default sprite and the speaker sprite. You can choose it from the sprite library or Scratch. And now in the sprite one, when flag clicked, so now add a sound from the sound library of Scratch. Go to the loop section and you can choose any sound. I'll choose give and delete the first sound. And now when flag click control forever sounds play sound cave until done. It will play sound plays the cave sound forever in the forever. And now one more time when flag is clicked forever and then go to sound, go to so we'll go to sound and then change and left right effect by set and left right effect by 100. So it will detect that when the volume is 100 or above that, it will the sound will go to right, and if it's 0, the sound will go to left, and if it's middle, it will go even. So put that in here. Now go to operators and put a minus operator and then write 200 sensing for and motion and direction. You have to go to 200 minus sensing distance to speaker and then sound and then set volume to 200 minus distance to speaker and then go to the speaker, and when green flag is clicked forever motion, go to mouse pointer. So it will do the same thing, and to hear this you have to wear speakers on. It will work on speakers only or headphones. Not with speakers, headphones. So I am in left, so it's doing it left, and I'm going to right, and it's going in right, and it's going in right. So the 3D sound effect will work. This is the tutorial. You can copy the code. And now this is all for the tutorial. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye.